Today, we're going to delve into the art of requesting and giving recommendations on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, the professional networking powerhouse, has over 900 million users worldwide. So it makes it a very great avenue for career opportunities and great business opportunities. If you're wondering why you need a LinkedIn recommendation, it serves as validation for your skills and your expertise. And according to LinkedIn, profiles with recommendations are 3 times more likely to receive job opportunities. I mean, just own it. If you go to somebody's profile and after seeing all the amazing things on their profile, which is very optimized, you find out that they also have lots of recommendations, let me say minimum of 10 from people that you don't even know. That alone just says a lot about maybe who the person is, because that gives you the sense that that person has been validated. The fact the person has recommendations from people, the person's skills are validated. First of all, let's look at how to request a recommendation. So first of all, make sure you're logged into LinkedIn, like I am here. I am. And once you are logged in, make sure you go to your profile section. So if you're on a so I go to the profile section here and I click on my name. Yeah, I know I have an amazing profile. If you want to learn how to make an amazing profile, first of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll make a video teaching you how to optimize your profile very well. Right? And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down past about, experiences, education, license and certification. You're going to go all the way to recommendations. So you can see we have given, we have received, and then we have given. So I've given some and I've also received some as well. Right, so you can see the plus sign here, right? They are not saying anything, but if you click on that sign, they say ask for recommendation and they say give recommendation. So I'm going to click on ask for recommendation. So the thing is that now, who do you want to ask the recommendation from? So in this case, I'm going to ask it from a friend. So I'm going to request it from Kingsley. He's an amazing developer. I work with him. Great. And I'm sure because I've worked with him, he can recommend me based on certain things, right? So I'm going to click on him and I'll say continue. So what you have here is the position at the time, or what you want him to, recommend you about. You don't just ask anybody to just give you a recommendation. Maybe you were fellow workers, or you're business partners, or he was a customer, or he was an employer. So I'm going to choose, so I'll say brand strategist as Segula. All right, and I'll say, hey Kingsley, look at the message LinkedIn has here for me. Hey Kingsley, would you write me a recommendation, please? That's lame, but I'll just stick with that. I'll say, make sure you make it more personalized. Request particularly for what you want him to write a recommendation about. So I'll say, I would be grateful if you could write a recommendation with regards on building a project. So after that, you are done. Just click on send. Okay, they say relationship, so make sure you check that. So relationship. Ubon managed me directly. Ubon reported directly to me. Ubon was a senior to you but didn't manage directly. Like, you have all the options right there. So I'll say Ubon was a client of mine. Ubon taught me. So Ubon taught me because he helped me with the project that we worked on. So I'll click on send. And at the left corner, you see your request has been sent. So he will receive the notification that Sarfo Carbell has asked that you write a recommendation for him. Once the person fills in the recommendation, you will get notified and then you can choose to display it or not. But let's look at how to also give a recommendation. So I click on give recommendation and then they ask me, who do I want to give this recommendation to? I'll say, well, I want to give this recommendation to Samuel Boche. So now I get to choose the relationship. I'll say someone mentored me. Hey, no. You and someone studied together. Yep. That's it. And then I'll select the time. We were students at the University of Professional Studies. And I can write the recommendation. I'll say Samuel is great. I mean, make sure you write something lengthy. Make sure you come from an honest opinion and an honest perspective. It does say a lot about the person, but also says a lot about you. So you might as well come and be as honest and polite as possible. Once you are done, you can just say send. I'm not sending it yet because I have to really write a much more detailed one. Remember, quality over quantity when it comes to recommendation. So whether you are building your own personal brand or you are helping other people shine, LinkedIn recommendation will play a very massive role. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me, and I'll catch you in the very next video. Peace.